Hello everyone, thank you for joining and thank you for choosing ProSite as your anti-collision system for your job site. You're very lucky because you will be able to experience what we think is the best technology on the market right now, especially with a mobile app which you can use on your Android phone or on your iOS phone. I'm going to try to show you how to make the most of the anti-collision system and how to get the ability to see live on your phone what your cranes are doing and to have some action basically related to the anti-collision. For example, like bypassing the system or getting some information of what the cranes are doing. To be able to make the most of ProSite app, you will have to download the software from the store, either Android or Apple Store. You type ProSite, SMIE, and you will be able to find the app and download it on your phone. Once you've installed the app, you will arrive to the main screen and to validate the different messages to allow the location and the notification, which are important for ProSite. Once you've installed the app, you need to create your own account. So click on Register, right in the middle, you see there's Login, Register and Reset. Click on Register, you type your email, your password. You can click on the little eye to know if your password is the right one or not, and you're able to register. Once your account is created, you can now log in easily by typing your email address and your password. You will arrive on your job site. Because you got only one job site, you just click on the pin, and you will be able to see your crane on your phone. You can zoom in, zoom out, and move around the job site to see the different cranes that are on the job site, where they're located, what they're doing. On the top left, you can see that there is the weather information. You'll be able to see if the wind increase or decrease. You'll see it from your phone. You can see that there's a little tag if I zoom in on either the crane or the different zone. And you can very simply tap on the tag. You get a different kind of options on which you can enable or disable the different functionality, like the anti-collision, for example. I will click here, and as a safety measure to avoid the pocket dial, we created a passcode, which is a second level after the password, to make sure that it's you that's going to bypass the system and to make it safe. So you can define your passcode. Once done, a second time to confirm the passcode, and that's it. So now your passcode is defined. The next time you will want to bypass or not, you will be able to use your passcode and its setup. You will have to do it only once. So now you can see on the app the crane is now turned red. The anti-collision is bypassed on it. Everybody that's involved on the job site will receive the notification, will receive the message, and like that we can trace the history of the different action which took place on the anti-collision on the job site. There is as well bypass for the zoning. So I got to a zone which is called office. I can decide to bypass the zoning for the crane which is actually associated to that. Everybody will receive a notification, and once it bypassed, you can see it on the app. So that's as simple as that to be able to manage your anti-collision system. Just one thing to add as well is that these are available either on the phone, just the normal Android or iOS phone, but it's available on the tablet as well. How cool is that? On that, you get the same chat on which you get the same history of what happened on the system, and basically get all the different action exactly in the same way that you used to have on the phone. Thank you very much. Cheers.